It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review on an eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, and it is this beauty. How stunning is that packaging? This is the Forever Flawless Midnight Rose palette, and the colours are just amazing in here. So if I show you inside, so within obviously the plastic sleeve you get this tin. I do really like tinned eyeshadow palettes. I don't know what it is. Obviously they're more protective, which is great. But yeah, and then it's got this really nice rose pattern all over. And then inside are these absolutely gorgeous colours. So you've got a real nice mixture of mattes and shimmers in there. And yeah, these colours are really, really me. So yeah, I saw this and I just had to get it, to be honest. And it's got a really nice mirror as well, which is helpful. So if you fancy watching me trying this out, then please stay tuned. Right, okay, so most of my makeup's done. Foundation, concealer, brows, blush, whatever. That's all done. It's just eyes, highlighter and lips that I haven't. So I am thinking out of these colours here, love this one in the corner, blush. That's really nice. And I quite like the brownie shades as well. But I really like this sparkle here, Twilight. It's kind of like a charcoal grey glitter, which yeah is saying please use me. So I think we're going to do that one. Right, so first up I think I'm going to go into my crease with this one just here called Thorn. Just kind of a nice chocolate brown shade. Really nice pigment on that brush. What a lovely colour. So I'm just placing it to start off with. Really like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to, whoops, I'm just going to clean off my brush and then just blend that out a bit. These blend really, really nicely as well. So far so good. Right, so then just above that crease I'm going to go in with this darker brown here, which is called Wine. Loving the names. I'm going to go in on the same brush that looks really dark on the brush. That's a really nice brown as well. Right, okay. I'm just going to blend that out as well. Really, really nice to blend. I feel like I've gone in a little bit too far there for the look I want today. So I'm just going to clean that up. That's better. Right, so there we go. So next, what I'm going to do is go all over the lid with this one in the corner, which I love, which is called Blush. Just kind of like a burgundy shade. It's lovely. That. Oh, I like that. Colour is absolutely gorgeous. Love that. Right, okay, I'm just going to clean up a little bit of this fallout. Not too much though, there isn't hardly any fallout. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend that as well. Okay, so very, very light-handed, just to blend those two colours together. Okay, so there we go. Obviously I've just done the other eye while I was at it as well. Right, so then I'm going to go, I think I'm going to do the underneath first, and then I want to put some glitter in the centre, like a halo eye. So underneath, I think I'm going to go with this colour here called Dusk, which is almost right in the middle. It's like a tan brown almost, I'd say. So I'm going to give that one a try. Okay, so you can't really see it on that brush because it's a brown brush, but I'm just going to take this underneath anyway. That's really pretty. Right, okay. Should do the other eye. I like that. Okay, and then I'm going to pop some of that twilight on the centre of my lids. So I'm just going to use my finger. Yeah, I'm going to use my finger. My eye watered earlier. I had a bit of a mare, to be honest. I've got a hair off one of my brushes in it, and I've just noticed where it's been watering. It's messed up that corner a bit. Let me just correct that. So that's really pretty. So we're going to go on the centre.
Somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool.
That's lovely. And I'm just going to very, very slightly just blend those edges. Okay, so like that, I'm really happy with that actually. So that's the eyes done, eyeshadow wise. So I'm going to nip off, pop on some mascara, lipstick, blusher, and then I will be back. So there we go, all done. There's my finished look using the Revolution Forever Flawless Midnight Rose palette. That's a bit of a mouthful for me, and I've got terrible memory. But yeah, I really like that. I love the end look. I think it's really pretty. What I did also do was pop a little bit of this colour here, Satin, which is really nice champagne gold. I just pop that on my inner corners and under my brow bone as well. So yeah, absolutely lovely palette. Really nice to blend, really pigmented. Yeah, really glad I bought it. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I think it was originally £12, but it's on sale at the moment in Superdrug for £8. So that's what I paid anyway. So bargain. I'll give you a quick close-up of the eyes.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight.
So there we go. I hope you enjoyed watching and found it useful. If you did, obviously please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM, give or take. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Drive by myself.